If you live in an area where wind is a problem, or you're just looking for a simple, low-profile way to keep your tombstones upright, this is the video for you. In this video, we'll be discussing our favorite way to windproof your foam Halloween tombstones. To get started, you'll need a few materials: a 1x2 or 1x3 inch piece of wood, a 3/4 inch drill bit, 20 inches of 1/2 inch PVC pipe, and two 15-inch pieces of rebar. Off camera, I measured the average width of our tombstones. For us, that's about 16 inches. Then I'll take the 1x3 and cut it down to that dimension. With the cut piece of wood in hand, I measured in 3 inches from the ends of the 1x3 and drilled out two 3/4 inch holes. I found that 3 inches of space from the edge of the tombstone allows for sufficient foam to drill into and also accommodates for slightly crooked holes. This will be our template for both drilling into our tombstones and hammering in rebar to keep the tombstones firmly in the ground. With the holes drilled, take your template, align it to the bottom of your tombstone, and mark the locations for drilling. Before we start drilling into the foam, take your drill bit and with a piece of tape mark off 10 inches from the tip of the bit to the shank. This will help to ensure that you don't drill any deeper than you need to. If your tombstones are shorter, you can adjust this depth. Slowly start to drill out the mounting holes. Make sure to keep the drill level from the front to back and side to side to prevent it from breaking through the face of your tombstone. You may need to back out the drill bit and tap out the bits of foam as you go, so keep a trash can or shop vac nearby. Once you have the two holes drilled out, it's time to take the foam-safe glue of your choice and drizzle some onto the PVC pipe. Then insert them into the tombstone, being sure to give them a twist to help disperse the glue and allow them to dry. Be sure to mark this piece of wood as your template so that you don't accidentally use it for another project. Now that the glue has had a chance to dry, your tombstone is ready to be set up. Take your template, the two pieces of rebar, and a rubber mallet or hammer and pick a location to display your tombstone, using the inner edge of the holes in the template as a guide for where to hammer in the rebar. Using the inner edge helps to create additional tension when the tombstones are slid over the rebar. Slide on your tombstone and you're done. This approach, while a little nerve-wracking, is the most low-profile method we've found for keeping our tombstones in place. The PVC makes them a bit heavier and gives them a lower center of gravity. As an added bonus, this method makes stacking tombstones much easier, since there's no additional mounting materials off the back side of your tombstone. Well, that's going to do it for this video. If you want to see more videos like this one, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and hit the notification bell to be alerted to the next time we put out another video. And until next time, happy haunting!